Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you and talk to you about some of the items that I either drink, eat, well mostly drink or clean with that is new now that I now use or consume. One is Splash 2O H2O. And this one is Tangerine Peach, and it's very awesome and makes the water very drinkable. I haven't had much of it, so I can't say too much about it, but it's delicious. I've been using GC Control. The only one I've tried thus far is Chocolate Swirl. You put 1 scoop of this in 1 cup of water, and it's helped me with curbing my snacking and my appetite between meals. It has helped with my blood sugars, controlling them and helping keep them more in alignment. So yeah, that has worked really well. And staying with the kitchen area, I have had this Lemon Bright green apple green apple for just over a month. Well, about a month. And that's how much I've used right here. I haven't used barely any, because with this, use 1 drop if you've worked with onions and garlic, and use 1 drop and wash your hands. No garlic or onion smell on your hands, period. And you only need like 2 drops, and it cleans your dishes and gets grease out, everything. I had things stuck on my Instant Pot, like rice and that I forgot to soak. I put 2 drops of this, some hot water, and not even 2 minutes later, and it came off real easy. So that really made me happy. Now next is my Mela Power. This is unscented. I've tried their lavender, but I'm allergic to the lavender because it's all natural. Pardon me. It's all natural products from this company at Shopping Club, and the lavender plant I found out I'm allergic to. But this, it gets out stains. It's awesome. And you only need a drop or 2 in your laundry. Then I actually have 2 bottles of this, because I'm gonna keep keeping them in 2 different areas of the house, but I'm waiting for the pump to come in for the other one. The pump doesn't come with it. It comes with a cap like this that you would turn, and once you take that off, you could get some out, but I'm waiting for the pump. This Renew, I have found using it once a day, I have scars from surgery on my arms, by my elbows, and they're faded a lot more. They're not as red and puffed out. I have usually dry skin on my ankles, dry and cracked, and that because I have really bad eczema. And I've only been using this about a week and a half, once a day, and my ankles are almost smooth and crack free again. That is something that I really am happy about. I can't wait to get the Renew body wash and hand soap. because that'll be really great. Now this one I haven't used quite yet because I don't have the mixing bottle for it yet, but it's no work 12 times, and it's for your shower. You use it to clean your shower after your shower, and it makes it really good. From my experience with everything else, I'm sure it'll work really good. I will make another video once I've used it. This Safe and Mighty I've used, and it's simple. You flush the toilet, you dispense some, you pull the cap up and tip it and spray it around the inside, under part of your toilet bowl, and then scrub, then flush. And it made my dirty toilet bowl shine after some pretty heavy use. Then I have this, which is Clear Power, and I put some of this concentrate in this bottle, and in this bottle this mix, the Clear Power, I use it for mirrors, windows, stuff like that, and it gets it really clean, streak free. It's amazing. I need to get a bigger bottle of concentrate because that's a small bottle. You'll see a bigger one in a little bit. I want to get the bigger bottle. And I definitely want to get the bigger bottle of this next one. It's called Solumil, and this one is spiced apple. Now, I have 2 cats. 2. One of them has inflammatory bowel disease, which means he's never had a solid bowel movement pretty much ever. And his bowel movements, forgive me if it's TMI, but they stink. And nothing's been able to make it not smell. I cleaned the kitty litter with this mixed in the mix bottle with water. And as you can see, I didn't even use too much. And with that, it smelled like spiced apple. Pardon me. For about a week. Almost a week before I had to spray it again. My female cat, she literally will go and sit in front of the litter boxes and meow at me until I go and spray a little spray on the wall because she wants to smell it. And it's the Solumil, it's not just good for like the kitty litter boxes. I've also gotten my pure white cushions, I got chocolate on them. It got the chocolate out. That, in a combination of soaking it in this for 10 minutes, spraying this and leaving it on for 10 minutes, and then using some Melipower and a scrub brush, and the stains came out. My cushion covers, those 2 are perfectly white again. It also got a dark brown stain off the arm of my couch that's been there for months. And you can use it for everyday cleaner. You can use it for stain remover. You can use it for odor eliminator. I use it to clean my kitty litter boxes, and it gets them clean quickly and easily, and my cats just love it. It's not smelling when they go to the bathroom because this takes that scent away. So I'll keep using that for sure. Then I have this one, which is Melomagic. Now, the first thing I'm going to tell you is 1 or 2 capfuls in a mop bucket, does your floors really good. It doesn't have that heavy chemical smell like Pine Sol and other floor cleaners. It has a light lemon scent. I am very, very, very sensitive to scents and different things. So I was kind of leery, but no, it's awesome. It cleans the floors, gets all the grime, and they look awesome. And this I can also use, which I have to do, is use it to clean my power chair. And I can use the Solumil on the cushions in the fabric part. And then the Melomagic, I have the spray, which I can use the Melomagic, the concentrate mixed with the water. I can use that on my stove and in my oven. And again, it's got a light lemony scent. It doesn't have the harsh, heavy chemicals, which is really, really, really good. And for me, it's not going to hurt me. It's not going to hurt my pets. And if I have my nieces or nephews around, it's not going to hurt them. That's very, very important to me. Especially because I'm hyperallergenic. This, I actually have 2 bottles. Because one, I got a bathroom kit. And in the bathroom kit came the Safe and Mighty No Work and the Clear Power and a tub and tile. Now, I had already gotten a tub and tile, so the tub and tile I use it a lot, so it's good to have a second bottle. This, and I've had it for about a month, because I got it at the same time as the Lemon Bright, and I've only used that much. You can see if I put it beside the unopened one, there's not that much that's used. And the tub and tile, you put it in the mixed bottle, and you spray down your toilet, your kitchen sinks, your bathroom sink. If you have a tub, you use it on your tub. Tub and tile is exactly what it says, tub and tile. This makes my bathroom so clean, comes clean so easy. Not a lot of heavy scrubbing, which is really good when you don't have a lot of arm strength and that. And it smells good, but it's not overpowering. And so these products, and I'm going to get more because they work so well. And like I said, these two, the Solumil and the Clear Power, they're the smaller bottles, and I want to get, and then the No Work as well. I want to get this, which is about double the size, but I want to get the bigger bottle.
Messenger video.
So, peace, much love. That's it for now.